Uses of be. Identity. Those girls are my nieces. Nationality. We're American. We're from America. Job. My father is a teacher. Interests. I'm a keen runner. Place. The concert is in Chicago. Time. The opening was last Friday. Early, late. I was late for the show. Age. I'll be 28 in May. Qualities. The house is really ugly. Feelings. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Behavior. Please be quiet. Please be careful. Right or wrong? That isn't right. I think you're mistaken. Possession. Are these tags yours? Cost. How much is or does this table cost? Okay guys, and that's it for today's lesson. Remember to like and to subscribe for daily lessons and contents. These are also my prior contents. See you with another video tomorrow.